show you how to create an account on Reddit. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Reddit like this. It's going to open here on this page. Right now, choose how you want to log in. For me, I will use my Google account, one of my Google accounts. Just click and it's going to take you to this page. So from here, choose one of your Google account of your emails, and you have to wait little. And right now, guys, they are creating an account for you on Reddit. Just right now go to here and you can update your information like changing your username and the other stuff. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.